Hi and welcome to a very short video here on my channel UiPath with Jeppe. Today we're going to draw the winner of the UiPath Certified Advanced RPA Developer exam voucher. So let's just get to it. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the Google dice rolling function, and we're going to roll these two dice and see what the number that we come up with is. That number we will use to shuffle the names in a Wheel of Fortune where all of the names of you guys who entered the contest are listed. So let's roll the dice and see what happens. And the number is 7. So now let's jump to the Wheel of Names. Alright, so here is the Wheel of Names with all of you guys' names on it. And I'm going to shuffle the names 7 times before I actually spin the wheel. I know this is random with random on top of it, but I just want to make sure that that everything is fair. So off to the side of the screen, I'm going to press a shuffle button, and you should see the names being shuffled on the wheel, and I'll do that 7 times. 1 time, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now it's time to spin the wheel and see who wins the voucher. So I'll click the wheel to spin it, and we'll see how it goes. And we have a winner. The winner is Mohammed Salim. And make sure you reach out to me either on YouTube or on LinkedIn, and then we will get the voucher to you. So that's it for this contest. I can tell you that there were 40 entries, I believe, and I've gotten a lot of positive feedback. So what I think I'll do is I'll wait a month or two maybe, and then I might do another draw like this one, because you guys seem to really like it, and it's also important for me to give something back to you guys. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I put out new videos. It's going to happen fairly soon, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a like. Thank you for taking part. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.